techniques, again, are just words to give you, because sometimes we just don't have the words, right? So if we have the words and we can kind of memorize these words, it helps us to know how to close up this conversation, because you can have this collaborative conversation, but then it's like, okay, how do I close this deal up? Okay, I like the first one. It's like really easy. I call it the double okay close. So, great, all I need is your okay, okay? Just be careful, because you can be going, okay, okay, okay. Number 2 is the minor point close. So all we need to get started is for you to sign this change order. Or all we need to get started is to pick a start date. Or all we need to get started is to choose this. Okay? So find something that's a minor point decision. All we need to do is pick a date for the subcontractor. So the detail close is just asking you details. So when would you like your blank to be? When would you like us to break ground? When would you like that delivery to be? When would you like your starting date to be? That's a way of starting to walk down the close. Feedback. So you seem to like blank. How about if we get started then by blank? So you're helping them to find that next decision, that next start point. Summary close. From what I understand, we have met all your questions and concerns. You said you needed this, and we can do that. You also said you wanted this, and we said we can that. So, all we need to do is get you started is to fill out this paperwork. Okay? So you're just, again, taking them down the road of, I heard you, you wanted this, we said we could do that, you wanted this, I said we could do that, so all we have to do is this, we can get started. And again, there's nothing pushy about this. This is not pushing the product, because you were listening and you're feeding it back. And now you're collaborating on the details to get to the close. All right?